Good morning. Today we're going to start on page 17, number 3. Work with me as we go through this problem. If you want, you can pause the video as you number everything. I have already numbered our graph in order to save some time. So, today we're going to do page 17, number 3. A pitcher throws a ball from the pitcher's mound such that the path of the ball is molded by the equation y equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 12. In the equation, y represents the height in feet, and you see I have labeled height in feet. And x represents the time in seconds. I also labeled time in seconds. The equation of the swing can be represented by y equals 9. There is your next equation. Here is a little different. In order to answer this question, they are asking, determine at what time the ball and bat make contact. In order to solve this, we have to graph. Our first graph will be our parabola. So we'll come over here and we'll put it in our calculator. And we'll graph our parabola. Remember, we must always start at 0 since there are all positive numbers. We are only working on quadrant 1. When I put that in the calculator, I'm going to get 0, 12, 1, 9, 2, 4, and 3, negative 3. If you notice, down here, 3, negative 3, we can't graph it, but we know that it's going to hit 0 somewhere between 2 and 3. Now we will come and we will graph our line. Y equals 9. We'll put that in the calculator. And if you notice, you may hit graph. It's a straight horizontal line. So when we graph this, we'll start 0, 1. 0, 9, 1, 9, 2, 9, 3, 9. If you notice, they all hit 9. So when we graph this, we'll first graph our parabola. 0, 12, 1, 9, 2, 4. And now I have 3, negative 3. So I know somewhere between 2 and 3, it will hit 0. So when I draw my parabola, I will hit somewhere over here. Then I will label my parabola. Y equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 12. When I numbered my graph, on my x values, since my highest x was 3 on both sides, I skipped about 3 boxes and did 1, 2, 3, 4. When I did my y's, I counted up by ones, but I only labeled the even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. You, of course, can graph any way you want as long as it stays consistent. Then I'll graph my line. I have 0, 9, I have 1, 9, I have 2, 9, and I know this is my line. Y equals 9. I graphed, I labeled, and then I have to remember to go back. Determine at what time the ball makes and the bat makes contact. So this is where they will intersect. They seem to intersect at 1, 9. okay? This is where they intersect at 1, 9. So this is where they made contact. But in order to answer the question, it says determine at what time. Well, at what time was that? That was at 1 second. And there's your answer. You can always see from the table where they intersect also. Now, work well. Watch my video. You can pause at any time. See if you can complete this on your own. Then what you will do is complete page 17, number 4. I will upload the answers. Message me. Send me a message and I will upload the answers.